If you want to connect printer on Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, you want to proceed to connections. And then over here, you want to go to more connection settings. Here we can find the printing option, and then we can start by going to default print service. And you can try to find your printer over here on this list. Now, in case you cannot really find your printer on this list, if it's not detectable, you might want to go back, and then you want to go to download plugin. And in here, you should be able to get a plugin for your printer based on the manufacturer of that printer, of course. And hopefully with that additional plugin or service, you can actually find your printer and start using it with your phone. However, in some other cases, you have to get a very specific app that is usually mentioned in the user manual of the printer. So you want to check the manual and search for the instructions on how to connect your printer to an Android smartphone. Of course, these apps are usually free, and you can find the app in the Play Store, so you should be able to search for it. Unfortunately, I cannot really tell you which app you need to get for your printer, because every printer has its own app in that case. But with the manual, you should be able to find it pretty easily and connect your printer. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.